Hi everyone, today we're making classic Nigerian chinchin. This crunchy snack is perfect for tea time or anytime you want something sweet and crunchy. Let's get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Nigerian easy recipes. Here are the ingredients for our classic chinchin. Make sure you have everything ready before we mix. Start by mixing your dry ingredients thoroughly in a large bowl. This ensures even flavor in every bite. Add your butter and rub it into a flour mixture until crumble. Then slowly add milk until you have a soft, slightly firm dough. Roll your dough to about quarter-inch thick and cut into small stripes and diamonds. This is how chinchin gets its signature crunch. Heat oil in a pan and fry the chinchin in batches. Fry on medium heat, turning occasionally until golden brown. Be careful not to overcrowd the pan. Once golden, remove from oil, drain on paper towels, and allow to cool. Your classic Nigerian chinchin is ready to enjoy.